The graduates from two different programs will be presented with the certificates in parallel. I repeat, the graduates from two different programs will be presented with the certificates in parallel. One department on the first podium, that is to the left hand side of the audience, and the second department, that is IT, onto the right podium, that is right side of the audience, right? So podium 1, mechanical department, and podium 2, IT department. After that, industrial and the students of industrial and electrical branches, please be ready, because after mechanical and IT, you are supposed to line up. Industrial would line up for podium 1, and the students from electrical engineering would line up after IT for podium number 2. Thank you. Information technology graduates. You must applaud for your friends, come on! Congratulations to all the students.
We have the official photographers deployed for clicking the photographs of the graduates. They need to inform at the departments and then collect the photographs accordingly. All the parents are requested to enjoy the dinner that has been arranged for them in the CSE and IT parking. By the time their wards can collect their certificates, and they will join you soon. Now we are having the certificate distribution of the mechanical and IT branches. IT and mechanical branches, you need to cheer for yourselves for receiving the graduation certificates. branches that we have are industrial engineering and electrical engineering. We request the Chairman Board of Studies of Industrial Engineering, Dr. I.P. Keswani sir, and Dr. V.T. Varahate sir to distribute the graduation certificates to their graduates from their respective branches. We are also elated to welcome the HODs and the Board of Studies Chairman of the Basic Sciences and Humanities Department. There is a slight change in the podium too. I request the head of EC department, Dr. Rajesh Raut sir, to proceed to podium 2. We have the EC students lined up.
Students of electrical engineering, please proceed toward the dates to collect your certificates. After the industrial and electrical branches, the students for EC will line up in parallel, right? So both at podium 1 as well as podium 2, the graduates, the EC graduates will receive their certificates. So after the industrial and the electrical branches graduates, EC graduates are supposed to line up. And students from graduates from mechanical and IT department are requested to proceed for the dinner at CSE and IT parking.
By the time the students from the IT and mechanical engineering branches can proceed for the dinner along with their parents, we have a selfie corner as well. If you can see the newly instituted aeroplane right at the entrance, so you can click your selfies there as well. Dear graduates, don't forget to click your selfies and post it at graduationceremony@rknec.edu. We would be really glad to share and enjoy your joyous moments for today. It is a memorable day for all of us.
EC students, please raise your hands so that we identify you. All right. EC? All right. After the industrial students, graduates have done receiving the certificates, then EC will run parallel from there also. Meanwhile, EC, please line up. Any electrical graduate who has not yet received his or her certificate is kindly requested to quickly come to the dais and collect your respective certificate, please. Any electrical graduate who has not yet received his or her certificate may please come and receive your certificate. I request the Chairman, Board of Studies, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. R. Rao, to present the graduation certificates to the Electronics and Communication Engineering graduates at podium 2. Chairman, Board of Studies, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. R. Rao, to present the graduation certificates to the Electronics and Communication Engineering graduates at podium 2. Aditi Agrawal has lost her. We found driving license of Aditi Agrawal. So wherever you are, Aditi, you can come and collect your driving license from the desk. Sir, to please provide certificates to the EC graduates. Pokle sir, please present the certificates to